Hello. Welcome everyone to another video of Training Simplified. And today I'm going to be taking you through validations on our rental car application that I built. So I'm going to be taking you through flow action validation instead of stage validation because we want to just validate this step instead of the whole stage. So using a stage validation will be necessary. So it only makes sense to use a flow action validation, as we could do the flow action validation on the flow. So we could do flow action validation on this one, and we could also do flow action validation on this one too. So it's you can see the difference between stage validation and flow validation. A stage validation will validate the whole stage, so everything inside the stage, but flow action is per flow. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to our flow action. So it's rental car, process, flow action, collect information, that's that one. And we're going to be applying validation on validation. So we can create the validation directly from here. So let's call it, or we could go into records, go into process, validate, right click, create. We'll just do it from here for simplicity's sakes. That's the way you should do it. Alright, so go straight to there, apply to, there, that, create and open. And you want to validate the date of birth field. Add condition. Validate the function, and use the function to do this. So validate is true. I'm going to use the function I've already built. CSS. So gotta try a lot of functions, but I got the right one. Paste it there. And submit. Oh, let's make it required so we can't advance if not. Let's also add the message. Let's create a new message. Well, let's use error message just already there. Let's go for error. And spread out on one. Let's put it right below. Agree, it's an error. Sorry. The age of the driver is below minimum age permitted. Driver below 18. Let's put it like that. Classification, validation fail. Yeah, I'm just checking out the other ones right here, but it's this one. Validation fail. Save. We don't really need to put parameters. Alright, that's fine. It's fine. Submit. And save. That's why. So I should have looked at this before I just quickly submitted it. For my last build, I used date of birth instead of top, so I just change it to top. Submit. Show it. Wow, here we go. Yeah, so cancel works. Alright, do this again. think, why do I have to do this? Why do I gotta go around? Submit that. Save. There we go. Alright, so saved. So we now go validate rule, close that, and put in there. So that should now work. I think we should use dot. Oh, no, we don't use dot notation. Alright. Save. And that should be it. Alright, so now when we save and run, the first step, we can't go past if the driver is below 18. So let's check it out. So we just need to do a driver. Let's give him the date of birth, okay, the 10th. We need to do it, just not required. Submit. There we go. Sorry, the age of driver is below 18. Sorry. Sorry, the age of driver is below the minimum age permitted. Driver below 18. And it even gives us the warning up there. So that's how you do a validation on your date of birth field using the flow action validation. Thanks for watching.